course, you could feel bad for birds being caged, although sometimes I think they're so old that they're probably safest here. But you also get to learn what they look like and appreciate them and maybe help protect them in the wild as well. This is a sandhill crane, about 7 pounds, and looks like pretty used to people. Kind of came over, now just looking for some food. Looks like his beak's got a little issues, but he knows I don't have any food now, so. And the woodpecker's making some noise. Really neat.